გამარჯობა ყველას! Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to conjugate the verb to be sleeping, which is M-sister verb. It will tell you a lot about Georgian verbs conjugation. You can generalize it and use it for the other ones. Before starting, I will remind you to subscribe my channel and watch other videos if you want to learn Georgian language. My name is Anna, and if you're new here, you can check other videos. I speak about Georgian language, Georgian culture, Georgia by itself. I have private classes, I have groups, but also I teach on Preply, so you can check the link in the description. I also made a new Instagram page, so you can have a direct contact with me. I will be uploading some pictures, some reels, some stories, like it happens on Instagram, obviously. And thank you always for supporting me and for giving me your feedback. Now I will move and I will start. So the verb to be sleeping is different from the verb to go to sleep, because the difference is that to go to sleep, it's vidzineb, which is completely a decision, right? Like you stand up and you go to sleep. While I am sleeping, it's different from it, because this is something that is happening subconsciously to you and you're not in a total control of it, obviously, because if we were in the control, we would decide when to sleep, how to sleep, which kind of dreams to see. You can memorize like that, okay, if it helps you. And it's conjugated like all the other verbs, like I have, or I love, or I miss. I will start and you can see. Me mtzinavs, me mtzinavs, shen gtzinavs, shen gtzinavs, mas sdzinavs, mas sdzinavs, ჩვენ გვძინავს, ჩვენ გვძინავს, თქვენ გძინავთ, მათ სძინავთ, მათ სძინავთ. Now I will conjugate it in the past. მე მეძინა, მე მეძინა, შენ გეძინა, შენ გეძინა, მას ეძინა, მას ეძინა, ჩვენ გვეძინა, ჩვენ გვეძინა, თქვენ გეძინათ, თქვენ გეძინათ, მათ ეძინათ, მათ ეძინათ. Now I will conjugate it in the future. მე მეძინება, მე მეძინება, შენ გეძინება, შენ გეძინება, მას ეძინება, მას ეძინება, ჩვენ გვეძინება, ჩვენ გვეძინება, თქვენ გეძინებათ, თქვენ გეძინებათ, მათ ეძინებათ, მათ ეძინებათ. Now we can make sentences together so you can learn how to use it in the context. მე მეძინა კარგად, მე მეძინა კარგად. I slept well. მე მძინავს, I'm sleeping. Like if someone is talking to you when you're sleeping and you're like, hey, I'm sleeping, don't bother me. It would be mdzinavs. If your friend is inviting you at a party which starts at 12 a.m., you can say mag dros me medzineba. Mag dros me medzineba. Katebs sdzinavt sitboshi. Cats are sleeping in the warmness. Katebs sdzinavt sitboshi. Mas edzina tsudad. Mas edzina tsudad. He slept badly. Do not call us, we will be sleeping. Ar dagvireko, გვეძინება. არ დაგვირეკო, გვეძინება. Or another way of saying I will be sleeping, it's შუა ძილში ვიქნები. I will be in the middle of sleeping. You can say I will be or you will be. So შუა ძილში ვიქნები. I will be in the middle of sleeping. If you're interested to see how to conjugate the verb to be sleeping but also other verbs, obviously you can download my book, which is Georgian verbs. There are conjugation of very important verbs in 5 tenses. I think it's a very useful book and there are already people who are buying it, so thank you for that. And hope to see you in the next video. ნახვამდის, bye bye!